Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'm in the kitchen with my sister Joanne.
Hi.
Hi Joanne, what will we be making today?
We're making gluten-free taboula with quinoa.
Let's start chopping.
These are the ingredients you will need for the gluten-free taboula with quinoa. You will need 4 tomatoes, 1 lemon, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon dried mint, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of quinoa, 2 bunches parsley, cut the stems and washed, and some extra virgin olive oil and boiling water. And this is how your taboula should look like. Serve it as an appetizer or a side dish with your main meal. So enjoy!
Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Let's give it a go!
Fresh.
Happy cooking, everyone!
Oh, do I have anything in my tea?
Joanne, I think I got something to